breaking news. In a shocking incident that has taken the aviation world by storm, an Air Canada plane had a fatal encounter with a firetruck at LaGuardia Airport. This unfortunate collision led to the untimely demise of the pilot and co-pilot, leaving passengers and truck occupants injured, and the airport closed for a staggering 14 hours. To understand the course of events, we delve into the timeline of this tragic incident. On the fateful day, the Air Canada plane, preparing for takeoff, collided with a fire truck that was responding to an emergency. The immediate aftermath was devastating. The pilot and co-pilot lost their lives, passengers and fire truck occupants sustained injuries, and the plane was left in a state of ruin. The airport administration sprung into action, closing the airport to manage the crisis and ensure safety. For 14 long hours, LaGuardia Airport remained a scene of chaos and confusion, with flights being diverted and passengers stranded. As the dust settled, the airport gradually reopened, regaining its usual buzz. However, the scars of the incident were far from healed. One runway, marred by the collision, potentially remained closed for several days, adding to the challenges faced by the airport. This incident has indeed left an indelible mark on the aviation industry. It serves as a stark reminder of the importance of safety measures and efficient emergency response systems. The loss of the pilot and co-pilot, the injuries sustained by passengers and fire truck occupants, and the closure of the airport have significant implications. The incident calls for a rigorous investigation into the cause of the collision and a review of safety protocols. It underscores the need for enhanced coordination between ground vehicles and aircraft. As we mourn the loss of lives, it is imperative that the aviation industry learns from this incident and takes necessary steps to prevent such occurrences in the future. In conclusion, the Air Canada plane collision at LaGuardia Airport is a tragic event that has shaken the aviation world. It has brought to light the vulnerabilities in airport operations and the need for robust safety measures. As the industry grapples with the aftermath, the focus must remain on ensuring safety and preventing such incidents in the future.